Here's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. And right now we are here in the Two Rivers Marketplace in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. In this video, we're gonna take a ride in their elevator. Yep, and that's right guys, they happen to have an Otis Lexan. Let's take it for a ride. It's right here. See, Otis. Looks like you need to have a key to access the lower level. So we're just gonna head to 2. Same with 3. Here up at 2. Now let's go on the 1. Let's get your cab view. Definitely shocked to find an Otis Lexan. I'm glad I did. Here's your classic leveling right there. Fornicator up there. Looks like whoever installed this would thought this building had 4 floors, but actually does not. Here's your indicator right there. Here's your COP. Yeah, so you need to have a key to access the basement and the 3rd floor. So the only floors you can access in this elevator are the 1st and the 2nd. And up here you got your phone. Oh, look at this, guys. It's an old rotary phone. Yo, I was not expecting to find this. In case you guys didn't know, how you operate these phones. One minute. You just put your finger through a hole and just spin it.
Something I can assist you guys with?
Oh, no, I'm good. I just noticed a guy out an older elevator and I thought I might check it out.
Okay.
So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it. Well, actually, we'll take one more ride on it. And just for the hell of it, we'll take one more ride on this thing to appreciate its glory. I didn't bother filming the leveling because it doesn't really classic level that much in the 2nd floor as it does in the 1st floor. I was definitely not expecting to find a vintage elevator in here. Yep, you just can't go wrong with classic leveling, guys. So let's watch it close up. There it goes. And that's it.